Yo, I am so happy about this. All right. These are ones I've been waiting on for a long time. Obviously, we know they're headphones. These are the Anker soundcore Spirit X2. These are like sporty headphones. So for the gym and stuff. The case is cool. What else comes in here? So you get ear and wing tips and a USB-C. It's USB-A to USB-C. Not a big fan of those. But I have USB-C to USB-C cables. So it's pretty cool. Pretty excited to have these. They sit in there like this. And then you just take them out and you put them on. I'm actually going to be wearing them right now because these are about to die. So I'm about to go ahead and put these on anyway. Later.